and by the time next Tuesday comes, this is going to be a hurricane, and it's going to be just below Cuba, or maybe even hitting Cuba, with 90-mile-an-hour winds. So where it goes after that, we're not sure, but right now, next Tuesday, it's going to be just below Cuba or even hitting Cuba, and then it could go into the Gulf of Mexico, and it's probably projected to go to Texas. That seems to be the models are showing this going towards Texas, but anything could happen. Things change. It looks pretty bad. So we've got 90-mile-an-hour winds, and the wind gusts are going to be 115 miles per hour wind gusts. So 90-mile-an-hour winds, 115 miles per hour wind gust.